What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file on Claude. Now, once you're inside the Claude AI dashboard, guys, and you have a new chat that is started, you can easily go ahead and upload files and communicate and use the AI to work with these files. And to do that, all you really have to do is simply click the plus on the lower left hand side. Here you'll see a plus, you click on that, you have upload a file, you can even take a picture, you can even add it from your GitHub as well. Super cool, right? Now, let's say I want to add something from my PC, I can go ahead and upload a file by simply clicking on that. It's going to open up my file explorer and I can just basically ask it whatever. So let's say I have this thumbnail here, right? So I can go ahead and I can click on that and I can just basically say, make this better. I'm going to try that option. So it enter there and just give the AI something to do with it. And as you can see, it is currently using the information that I provided to it along with the images, and it's currently doing its thing on the right hand side and try to make this thumbnail better. As you can see, it's currently working, and let's see what the AI will do afterwards. So that's it, guys. You can upload any file on Claude and you can just basically manipulate that file, or you can use the AI to basically do whatever you want with it. And as you can see, it's currently doing its thing. It does basically make the thumbnail better in its own way, and as you can see, it also give me some instruction what was done and so forth, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead and upload files in Claude. As you can see, this is what it did. And let me go ahead and scroll across, have a look at that. Super cool, right? That's what it has done. So guys, it's really useful. It's a really useful AI tool. And I'm telling you, if you want to upload files to Claude and start playing around with it, this is very useful for you to do. And you can see the code and you can see the image. That's super cool. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.